Dear students, last day in math class I had taught you the chapter subtraction and what problems of subtraction. So I think all of you understood well. So today I am going to teach you brain teasers of page number 52. There is given fill in the blanks, and in this section you have to do there is given the first sum is 35 plus 12 equal to sign of equal to, and then plus 12 plus fill in the blanks. So what we have to do, so we have to both sides we have to make equal by putting the correct number. We have to make equal by using the correct putting the correct number. So in the first side there is given 35 plus 2 plus 12, and the right side there is given 12 plus fill in the blanks. So that means if we have to make equal, so which number which number is missing here we have to see. So there is 35 plus 2 and here is given 12 plus fill in the blank. That means if we put 35 in the fill in the blanks, that means both become equal. So in this way we will do. Next sum is 50 plus 10. So here is fill in the blanks, next side and the right side, and plus 50. That means if we have to make equal both sides. So that means the missing number is here 10, because 15 is already given. So if we put 10, so that means it will become equal. So in this way you will do both the sum, remaining sum. And the next is there is section given put the right sign. I have already taught you this topic. Put the right sign, that means there is the put the sign of there is a greater than, less than, and equal to. So it will be easy to do because already I have taught you how to do it. So that's why just 50 plus 9, and right side there is given 69. So which side 50 plus 9 equal to 59, and this side 69. So 59 is less than 69. So we put the sign of less than. Okay, and so you will do next sums. And there is in the third section there is given put correct put the sign of tick or cross. So here is the 500 plus 60 plus 9. That means equal sign of equal to and 569. So both are equal or not. So if we add the number 500 plus 60 plus 9, that means it will become 569. Or right side there is given already 569. That means it is a correct statement. So in this way you will do, try to do all the sums, or if any problem I will solve it again. Thank you.